A word we'll be learning in this video is oni, which you will often hear in folklore stories, casual slang when describing a harsh person, and in children's games like tag. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "The folk tale warns of a fearsome ogre on the mountain. My coach can be an ogre when practice gets tough. And nobody wants to be the ogre who has to chase everyone in tag." Let's get started. Oni. Oni. The word oni means a supernatural creature, often translated as demon or ogre in English. And people also use oni to describe someone who is extremely strict or cruel, or to name the chaser in a game of tag. In short, oni refers to a fearsome being or someone acting like one. The first kanji means demon and ogre. It is read ki in compounds and oni when used alone. In the word onigokko, the idea of an ogre as chaser explains the name of the kids' game. In the word kisai, the kanji adds a sense of extreme force or intensity that helps give the meaning genius. This kanji often brings a feeling of something fierce or supernatural in compounds. Play tag, children's chase game. Onigokko suru. Onigokko suru. Work like a demon. Work extremely hard. Oni no you ni hataraku. Oni no you ni hataraku. Become a demon. Turn cruel or strict. Oni ni naru. Oni ni naru. Exterminate/defeat demons. Slay ogres. Oni o taiji suru. Oni o taiji suru. Make the strong even stronger. Proverb. Oni ni tanabo. Oni ni tanabo. The most common synonyms of the oni are akuma and bakemono. Akuma usually refers to a religious or moral evil being, a devil, and can be more abstract or cosmological than the folkloric oni, which is often pictured as a physical horned ogre. Bakemono emphasizes a transformed or monstrous creature, a shapeshifter or monster, and focuses on strange form or change rather than the specific traditional image of the oni. The most common antonyms of the oni are tenshi and ningen. Tenshi denotes an angelic, benevolent, supernatural being and serves as a moral opposite to an evil oni. Ningen means an ordinary human being and contrasts with oni by highlighting the non-supernatural, everyday nature of people versus a monstrous or yokai figure.